You want soft lips? Stay tuned to make your own DIY soft lip balm.
Welcome to my channel. I am the natural one. You're watching DIY soft lip time.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the natural one, and this is another DIY video. You guys, this is going to be an easy soft lip balm recipe. So let's get into what you're going to need to make it. You're going to need lip balm containers. You can reuse the old ones you have, or you can buy new ones, but reuse them old ones, okay? Remove the label, put your own label, or don't. You're going to also need shea butter. Remember guys, these ingredients are not set in stone. Play around with it, okay? You're going to need beeswax. I went ahead and shaved mine down so it can dissolve easy. Coconut oil. I can't express enough that you can substitute these ingredients, and optional will be essential oil. Do your own research, okay? Certain essential oils are not meant to be on your lips, so just know that. A bowl, a scale, or any type of measuring tool. So the basic rule here is to get 3 equal parts of your butter, oil, and wax. This is going to be the heated phase, and when you become a professional, you can play around with this phase. It don't have to be equal parts no more, you know what I mean? For my heated phase, I'm going to be using 2 ounces each of the butter, oil, and wax. You guys, please make note that you do not want to put your vitamin E oil into the heated phase because you don't want to degrade its properties. The vitamin E oil goes into the cool phase. In this video, I did not have the vitamin E oil at the time. That's why I only made 4 tubes of the soft lip balm, okay? And I stored the rest in a heated safe jar so that way I can go ahead and do the double boiler method again and add it to the cool phase. But you will see what I mean once the video continue on. Okay guys, now I tried to be exact with the beeswax, but it wanted to go over a little bit, so it is what it is. It's not going to hurt nothing. Now with the double boiling method, you do not want the water boiling. You want it to steam.
But it's a double boiling method. You're supposed to boil it.
Go ahead and boil it, okay? While this is melting down, let's talk about why I chose these ingredients. 1 is because I already have these ingredients from previous DIYs. 2 is easy accessible. And 3, they provide great benefits. And I'm going to provide on the screen the benefits that each ingredient provides. You guys, once it's all melted, you're going to take your spoon and take some of the soft lip balm, put it in a freezer, and then you're going to test it out to make sure it's what you want. Here is my sample here. This is what it looks like when it's solid, and I am happy with it, so I will proceed on. If I didn't like it, I will go back and add more butter, beeswax, or oil. And also too, this is the stage where you will add your vitamin E in. Now these are the essential oils that I will be using. Now make note, with the cool down phase, you have to be really quick because it will solidify on you, and when that happens, you will have to put it back on the heat again. So be quick but not too hasty, because you still want it to cool down, because you are going to put hot liquids into a plastic container, and make sure your containers are BPA free. Now I did about 20 drops for each essential oil, but you can always play around with that too. Nothing is set in stone, okay? Alright guys, now we're at the point where it's time to just pour it in your container. As you can see, it's starting to solidify around my bowl, so I have to be quick. I have the syringe. You do not need this syringe. When I first started, I bought the syringe, but I really don't need it. Now make note, if you're going to pour it in from the bowl, please make sure that the bowl is dry. You do not want the water from the steam to get into the chapstick, because we're not putting a preservative in here. Now make another note, once you fill the tube up to the top, do not go back and add more. If you are using the tubes that I am using, you're going to get a little hole where the thing twists up at. That is completely normal. But if you add more to it when it's dry, or not when you originally filled it, that little piece that you add is just going to come off, and you just wasting product. So as you guys can see, I had to reheat my bowl, and now I'm pouring it in the container where I'm going to store that until I get my vitamin E and make more. But this is it, you guys. Look how easy and simple this is, and you're going to have some soft lips, okay? This is the soft balm, okay? Now this recipe can make roughly 20 tubes of lip balm. Now if you made it this far in the video, subscribe, because I post consistently so you won't miss me, okay? And that's why you need to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on my next upcoming video, okay? I got a lot more planned for you guys, and I'm excited to show you what I'm going to actually be gardening this year. So that video is coming out soon. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you try this, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to share this video, you guys, because I'm pretty sure you know someone who can benefit from having some moisturized lips, okay? It's too cold out here to be having some cracked lips. It's not cute. Subscribe.